Welcome to the free walking tours of Amsterdam.
We start at the National Monument right here.
We have a lot of different tours, for example the food tour, alternative tour, Anne Frank tour, dark side tour.
It was a really good tour, lots of things about the landmarks, a little bit of personal story for us.
Yeah, that's what I like the most.
Yeah.
I would recommend this tour to anyone visiting Amsterdam for the first time. I thought it was a history lesson and also just a nice walking tour to see the city.
So join one of our tours in Amsterdam.
Yeah, I think you'll have a good time.